Today, I want to help you out by giving you a quick tip. The auto leveling system and an electric awning on an RV are amazing when they work, but when they don't, they can really leave you stuck in a bad situation. So today, we're going to look at how to retract those manually. Spoiler alert, it's really not that difficult. So almost all these systems can be driven up and down by using a drill with the proper attachment. You want to use a drill. The important thing is you do not want to use an impact driver. I know it's tempting to use an impact driver, but that impact can really mess up the gears on something like this. So using a drill with the proper socket, grab the socket. This one is 5/16. Pop that right on there. We have a little cover on here. We take the cover off, and now this drill is going to fit right up inside of there. If I go clockwise, you can see that it's starting to lift that leg. So if I go counterclockwise, it's also going to bring it down. So you could use a ratchet in this circumstance, but you can see just how slow this moves by using the drill. So this is going to make it feasible for you to actually be able to lower and raise the landing gear. If you have a hydraulic system, you might need to open up a valve in order to do that, but you're still going to be able to use the drill. You even might have to disconnect a solenoid, so you'll have to look into what it is exactly for your hydraulic system. But an electric system is really simple like that. And then once you're done, you can put this cover back on, but this can really get you out of a pinch if you need to get that landing gear up and your system's not working. It's a nice manual override. This tip also works good for an electric awning. So we need to switch over to a 7/16 inch socket, which is on a lot of other landing gear as well. But we have a dust cover that we can pop off up there. And then you can see that we can put this in and out. Again, it's going to be slow, but you can do it with the drill and it's gonna get you out of a pinch. And another tip to be able to go along with it is you can bring down this arm, kind of like you're pitching it for the rain. It makes it just a little bit more reachable, especially if you don't have a ladder to be able to set up. And if you need to get up higher, because I know when this awning is going to be going in, I need to be even up higher than what I can reach on the ground. You can bring in a vehicle, you can bring in the bed of your truck, stand on that to be able to get this awning in and get back on the road. But it's getting windy, so I need to get this awning in before I create another problem. So I think that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys like this quick tip, and I hope it helps you out so we can get out there and enjoy RVing even more. We'll see you in the next one.